Good morning, brothers and sisters, from gloomy, drizzly Southern California. I am Chris, your favorite California plumber, and I'm heading on this Super Bowl Sunday to go look at somebody's garbage disposal and potential clogged drain. He's got a Super Bowl party, and all of a sudden his garbage disposal decided to take a shit, and I guess his drain is clogged. Typically when your garbage disposal goes bad and it's not spinning, if that's where you're trying to run water, your drain will seem clogged. So it could just be, all one deal. Could just be a new garbage disposal situation. Have a new garbage disposal on the truck just in case. I always carry a couple different models, the 1/2 horsepower and the 3/4 horsepower for these types of situations. Alright guys, so obviously we're on that drain call. It wasn't a garbage disposal like I had assumed. The work order said garbage disposal, so I just assumed garbage disposal. This guy's garbage disposal is a badass one. It's the Insinkerator Pro Evolution. I forget which one it is. I'll look it up for you guys and put it in the description. But it's a got stainless steel insides. Thing kicks itself into reverse when it jams. It's the top of the line disposal. I believe it's a 1 horse or 1 1/4 horse. So it's the drain line that's clogged. Just your typical older home with older, gunky drain lines. And this one's got this massive farm sink. So, and they had this weird 45 bend on it. Instead of just coming straight out to the disposal, they put this weird 45 on it. So I brought in my miter, of course, the mighty miter, and I chopped it off. Gonna plumb in a new P-trap. I always like to have just a straight shot if possible. Charging this guy $350 to do this drain, so I figured, fuck it, I'll plumb in a new trap also. So I brought in my Spartan 100 machine, my favorite machine in the world. This is like, to me, this is the industry gold standard in drain machines. Spartan 100 again. Their whole line of machines are just amazing, man. The Spartan really has it down. They know what they're doing. Their cables are the best. My cable's old. I'm as soon as I get caught up on all my bills and everything, I'm going to buy a new cable for my Spartan, because when I've got a brand new cable on my 1/2 inch machine, I can turn in on with that thing. No problem. I'm here with my ugly gloves. I like the kind that wrap up around my wrist now. I used to like the kind that were like big, floppy ass gloves. I have both types, but I like this kind the most. I don't know why. I prefer these guys the most. This is my technique. I like to place the cable between, I'm going to show you guys in just a second my technique. There's one hand that sits back towards the machine, that feeds the cable to me, and it also keeps the cable from lining up on me when I'm hitting the stoppage. So the hand that I have that sits out towards the machine basically kind of acts as my feeder, and the other hand kind of pushes. The other hand kind of helps drag the cable, I guess, is the way I could put it. In this case, my left hand is driving, my right hand is feeding. And when I hit the stoppage, I push hard with both hands. And as 75-foot cable. It's the Spartan 100 with the half-inch thumb. 75-foot cable, cooling and core cable. This one's real floppy, so you can plug 4 years old. But, love these things. You guys will see it when it's got a new cable in there. Like the sync capable left over. I can pull 4 feet of the cable, 5 feet of the cable straight out of the drum, and it'll stand directly up and not flop over. We're talking real solid cables. So I haven't had them break through any joints or anything like that. I have ran them back through those real thin plastic ABS slip joint P-traps by accident and broken one of those, but that was because the neighborhood was plumbed incorrectly and I shot straight over to the neighbor's kitchen. So here I am, I'm going to demonstrate for you guys. I got my uglies on. Okay guys, so right hand is feeder hand. Left hand is going to be the guide and I guess pusher. So I'm showing you here, that's like my index finger and my middle finger. And then we like cram that cable between those 2 fingers and I guess the ring finger. And that's how I like to feel it. And hang on to it and that's how I'm able to feel what's going on with the cable as it's rolling down the drain. I'm able to feel something. You want to keep your right hand feeding the cable, the hand that's closer to the machine. Make sure it's my right hand. You want to keep that one feeding, but don't ever let the cable push itself out of the drum. And hold on to it tight. And you feed it, you don't let it feed itself. Not very often that I'll run it while I'm pulling it back, but this drain was real tight, so I figured I was going to need to run it while pulling it back, and I did. And it works out. I've got this kink in the cable that's like maybe 15 feet out, and it really helps clean the drain. And I was really pissed off originally when it happened. I was trying to train a friend on drain cleaning, and he just didn't seem to get it. But it worked out. So here I am, I'm cleaning up that ABS because there was some paint on it, and I always like to make sure that when I'm gluing ABS I have a nice clean joint and clean pipe to glue onto. So there goes the trap adapter. Here comes the 1.5" ABS P-trap, slip joint P-trap. Using the nylon washers because it's on the disposal, and I like the nylon washers because when they clamp down they're not going to move no matter how much that disposal vibrates. So I'm going to tighten that thing up, and then we're going to give it a test. We already know it's not going to leak, guys, right? Come on. I only like to hand tighten the slip joint nuts. Look at that mini bathtub up there that they call a sink. Thing's fucking crazy, right? So there's the redrain that I did there. Used 1.5" slip joint P-trap ABS and an 1.5" slip joint extension tube ABS. I Hi guys, so you saw how we did that. I didn't have to cut that P-trap off, but you know, I was charging him $3.50 to snake that drain because it's a Sunday, and you know, I felt like he had that white P-trap on there that screams either homeowner or handyman. He had that really nice disposal. And it had that bend there because before they put that farm sink in, they probably had a dual sink there, and that bend probably shot over to where the disposal used to be. So I cut that off, just put the, you know, the trap adapter on the pipe, just bring it straight out. It's a lot cleaner that way, and you know, in the end it looks better. And like I said, since I was charging him money, I want to make it look nice and look right. He was happy. He tipped me $20. He paid cash, $3.50. Said thank you. Wished me a happy Super Bowl Sunday.